guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day today. It's actually quite rainy outside today and it's like cold and really wet. I'm surprised that I'm getting in such great lighting in here, probably the 9 windows. But I wanted to share with you guys a little bit of my week last week and how things were going. Today's video is sponsored by Hyacinth. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a new refrigerator. So if you guys have had an opportunity to see some of my videos or even been on my Instagram live, then you know that Kevin, my assistant, is all over quite a bit of the things that I do. I'm gonna say like the last month and a half, we have been working on his kitchen. Currently, it is a dark wood. I'm not gonna do an overlay. I'm gonna cut this video up at a certain point. That way you guys can see, you know, me get ready and then me going over to his place, seeing the cabinet before and after. But the cabinet was a dark wood and we went for a more of a blue tone, which is what he wanted. Something else that took place is Joseph went over to his place and did the soffit. Once I got mine done, he was like, Nadia. I was like, what happened? So his soffit is very different from mine. It's more of a modern look, and that's really good because you guys are gonna get to see the difference between mine and his. That way you know, even if the things that I'm doing don't fit into your design style, there's still a way that you can implement it to make it fit your style. I absolutely love his kitchen. It looks so good. The countertops didn't get done, but I'm working on that. Kevin, I'm working on that. You guys, this is not a sew-in or anything. This is actually clip-ins. I've never done clip-ins before, but because of the length of my hair, I just really wanted to add volume. I do have every single one of the clip-ins in my hair now, but I'm probably gonna order like a 16 or a 14 because what I wanted to do was just add, where's my hair at so I can show you guys. I just wanted to add, you see? I just wanted to be able to add some more volume to my hair so when I curled it, but I did, you see? I should have did 16, would have probably been about like right here. I'm gonna go ahead and head out to Kevin's place because I have to go do some recording over there, and then I gotta go pick up my baby. So here is the first view of the kitchen. As you can see, the soffit was added to go up and then down. At some point, we're gonna change the countertops, but not now. Here goes this and the new fridge. We'll talk about that later though. Right now, I just want you guys to see the beginning process, and then we're gonna see the end process of it. It looks so good, even right now. Oh, you did it!
Yes.
Thank you for what you got to do it on the side too, though.
No, it was tooth and nail to even get that done. It's a drag trying to get contractors to be cooperative.
Dang, man. All right, so you guys, what I'm doing right now is I'm helping because I'm just that girl. So the tape is going to be going on the interior. So that way, once they start painting, it won't touch the inside lining. And I'm just using a card to make sure there's not going to be any bubbling in the tape. Is it yours? So that way paint doesn't seep in. And this is the blue painter's tape. I wasn't supposed to really be doing that, but I'm helping. All right.
Oh yeah, tell me all about them.
I asked if you had them. I don't ever want to hear that I'm not there for you.
You'll never hear me say that.
Okay.
I have to get over the Casanova experience.
You what? This ain't even the Casanova experience. I don't want you to say that publicly. And people, right?
No.
People then be thinking I'm supposed to be doing this for them too. And I'm not. Before we jump into the after, I want to share with you guys really quickly again how the kitchen looked previously. So this is the old color of the cabinetry. This is also the previous fridge. So the entire kitchen just got a little bit of an overhaul. And then this is the soffit that Joseph had. And Joseph is the same gentleman that did my kitchen. It looks so good and so grand. This is it with the doors off. And here is the look of the kitchen, you guys. I love it. Not only do I love the update, but I am loving the new refrigerator from Hyacinth. What makes this refrigerator so amazing, the brush steel is fingerprint resistant, and also the door handles is recessed, so it creates this really sleek, effortless look on the fridge, which I love, you guys. If you're looking to control the temperature of your refrigerator, you're going to find this LED screen right above the refrigerator, which I love because the kids do not have access to this area. They cannot reach it, so you don't have to worry about coming in and food is not kept at the right temperature. The fridge also features an ice maker and a water dispenser, which I love. All right, you guys, I wanted to show you the color with the lights off because there's 6 total daylight bulbs. So it's going to lighten the color a lot. This is the color right here, which is like really, really nice. This is one of the reasons why I also highly recommend trying the color out because it's gonna look different in everyone's home. But the daylight bulbs definitely brighten it to make it a little bit more bluer than it actually is. But it looks really good. You see that? I'm like really happy with the color. It looks so nice. All right, you guys, that was the fridge and that was the kitchen. Let me just say now, I love what I do. I love what I do. I genuinely love what I do. But the part that I love is being able to help my friends and my family, and to see how happy Kevin was about the fridge and also his cabinets was amazing. And it's so crazy because I remember we were talking and he had said something and I was just like, who knows, maybe there'll be a new fridge in the future. Just be patient, because you know he wanted things to kind of go with his home. And it wasn't even a week that Hyacinth reached out to me and they were like, hey, do you want a collaboration? And I was like, Kevin, we got a fridge. So that was really amazing because everything just kind of fell in place to bring his kitchen together. And like I said, we're going to be working on changing out the countertop so that way everything just matches with the flow of the home. If you guys remember, I did his living room tour. So his home is headed more in a modern direction, which you guys are going to get to see that transpire this year. So I am really, really happy. Going back to the fridge really quickly, the fridge is exclusively sold at Lowe's. I will be leaving it in the description box. That way if you guys are interested, you can check it out. You guys are always asking about my fridge. And to be honest with you, if I was trying to be selfish, I would have kept it for myself because I love the fact that the fingerprints. If you guys know, like, I'm constantly cleaning. The second the kids go into the refrigerator, I'm seeing the fingerprints. So in the future, there's a great possibility that I would probably be looking for something where I'm not having to clean so much, but it still goes with the flow of my kitchen. But if you're in the market for a new fridge, definitely check it out. Again, I'm going to be leaving it in the description box. And I just want to say again, thank you so very much to Hyacinth for the refrigerator. Me and Kevin are absolutely happy. All right, you guys, but that is it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.